Welcome back to the last video of the week. I am having the weekend off. I am too tired, too exhausted. But what I will do, for those of you that don't really watch the daily ones that I've been putting up, I'm going to do a round off one Saturday and put that up Sunday, which will be literally about 10 minutes. So I'm going to head off down to Wicks and see if I can get away with taking the camera with me, but I don't think that will happen. But I'll take it with me anyway and see if I can do a quick little bit of filming down there. Fortunately, I couldn't really do any filming in there. You will note though, and I'll turn the camera around, I got this. It's a little undersized. It's supposed to be 20mm thick, but that's about 18. I don't know how well that's going to work out, so what I might do is get some black sealant and build up the thickness. They ain't got to be accurately cut, they've just got to be cut. Oh, well, that's 4 ready to go up. Show the viewers, this stuff is really good for putting wood together. Can't fold it. It's basically this stuff in that. There we go. Told you. So there's the first beam. Kind of sense of humour that somebody we know would have. You know who I mean, don't you? That in there.
What's going to be in the way? He's got a sticky finger now. Oh, you wouldn't do that.
I wish I wouldn't do that because it put a hole in flipping roof.
You're a man, you can take it.
Slap that into the roof. If we get rain in here, then we'll know why, and I'll have to get on the roof tomorrow and put some fiberglass.
It's over there on the chair.
Patches.
I've got one here.
Over the top. But that irritate you?
Yeah, it does. You kick up the back side, you do.
Can't get the scarf around these. I think this is going well. Hey. Right, that's the last of those. Right, put a piece of wood up here That's just to mark out where this piece of wood is going to sit. So I need this piece of wood to sit just slightly above that plywood line, and on this side, because I've already put the roof, the wall on, I know that that piece of wood is going to sit like so. The idea is, and I don't think this is going to work now because these are in the way, is I was going to have the roof lock in underneath this piece of ply, but that ain't going to happen. But it can happen on this side because I haven't put the wall on yet. And the other thing we've got to take into consideration when we do this is I've got to put some wood on the outside of this angle iron there, similar to what I did over here. So I've got to drill some holes straight down as far as the steel so I can get some screws through there. The plan is, we've been thinking about this all night, I didn't get a lot of sleep thinking about it, but we're going to put a piece of wood across there like that to hide the screw holes. That will be varnished up, and then there's going to be another bigger piece of oak which is going to have channels drilled into it so I can get these wires to move up. They may sit at a slightly prouder height, about like that there, and then when they come up to about there, say, there'll be another piece of this wood that will go up there like that, and then that's where the cupboard will get built onto. We'll build a frame for the cupboard first, and we'll skin the cupboard up after, because I want to varnish and treat and stain, and I want to spray lacquer on all the cupboards. I don't want to varnish those. I actually want to lacquer them because I think it will complement everything that's going on on the truck. Right, I'll cut this. Huh, I didn't think this through, did I?
No.
All right.
Push it up.
You don't have to agree with me.
Push it up.
I'm not pushing it up. I've got to bend it to get it.
Yeah, watch the snap.
It ain't gonna snap. Let's see. Ah, I got cramp in my back. Oh, that hurt. Oh. What are you laughing at?
What? Oh, I didn't know you wanted another rivet.
No, you're too busy laughing at my misfortune then, ain't you?
I was actually going to rub your back for you, but...
No, I don't need you to do that.
I mean, you are getting on a bit.
Oh. You just insulted me and half the viewers at over 50.
Well, you especially, because you do it for me, so I'm just paying it back.
Still don't fit.
Still too big.
Too small.
You need to cut that piece off at the side, I reckon.
I reckon you should just operate the camera, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's going to fit now. Might not.
Yeah, it's loose now. See, look. Perfectly okay the way it was.
Your problem. You sure that's right?
Huh?
The measurements.
Well, if it ain't, that's going to look embarrassing because I can't afford to waste wood. So it'll get used. There's something wrong there, isn't there?
Yep.
Are you still filming, eh? Okay. You hear me?
You're not on recording.
I might put my halogens in here over the back so I can see what I'm doing. I've got 110 halogens that Mark gave us from his work, so I've got no 110 power unit to power them with. The yard that I go to, he said he might have some spares, but he ain't come up with nothing since I last spoke, because he probably forgot. Right. Somewhere around here. There's my screwdriver bit. I don't know where it went. Okay, this is going to get hard. I warn you now, Chris. You're probably going to get screamed at. Something I do a lot. But I'm not moaning. I'm not screaming because you get on my nerves. I'm screaming because I'm passionate about things.
Right.
And I get frustrated. Do you buy that one?
No.
No, I didn't think so. It was worth a try, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Right. I've got enough of this to go round.
That's right, that's what I heard.
That's alright, Chris. Your dad's not getting far from behind you. His hair's falling in the middle.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. You wasted it.
Well, I can't help it. 4 foot, and I think it comes to about there. So, right. Here comes the yelling and shouting. So, in advance, I apologise.
He needs this step thing
Yeah,
first.
I know that. I've got to get under this thing first.
Okay.
So, lift it up and turn it flat. Right, walk forward. Push it over there. Push it. That's it. Right, rest there and manoeuvre. Right, let go. Get your ladder in position, please. It's not going to be no good there. You need to be smack bang in the middle. Right. Where's the other one? Hold it. Oh, that's not look good, do it?
You snapped the other one, dude.
I know I did. It's a bit of a pain, isn't it? It's a pain to reach. Got any more of that length. Hurry up, look, the shit's going on. Poxy wire as well. Right. Now that works. Is there a wider bit of that wood somewhere lying around here? Any of your cuts now? Or are they all the same size, I reckon?
They all are. Is there any over in that
It's okay.
tub?
I'll put this one up. You've got to let me. Right. There is more. There's a little off cut. There's another one there. Keep this under tension. Might stand some chance of getting this to stay up. There you go, you see. Perfect. Right. Okay, that's all we can do now. Leave that for about an hour, and I'll take the props down and see what happens. So guys and girls, that is it. So guys and girls, that is it. There's nothing more I can do on this today. It's too dark in here now. As you can see, I barely see what I'm doing. So I'm going to let these dry, and I'll pull them down, and I'll do one last quick film of showing you that panel up, and then Monday I might come out here tomorrow, but I won't be filming tomorrow. I might put one more board up just so we're a little bit further ahead so we can move on to the exciting stuff. Which I don't think that is that exciting, but we'll do it anyway. So until Monday, I'll catch up with you later. Thank you very much for your views, your comments. I love them, man. I love them. Love more of those, and your thumbs up. I appreciate that. For the low numbers we're getting a lot of thumbs up. That's pretty good going. I'm going to do an update video tomorrow, just briefly talking about what we did this week for the viewers that don't want to watch the weekly vlogs, and then we'll pick this all up again on Monday. So from me, see you Monday.
Bye.
That polyurethane has worked. It's stuck itself firmly onto that Celotex stuff. Tomorrow I'll trim that off as best as I can, and then when we do the next one, all I'm going to do is just butt join it straight up. As I said to you before, there is a panel running right the way across there that's going to be covered in white PVC. I plan to glue batons onto the ceiling first, which will also help reinforce that roof, and I'll then put that stuff over the top. Now, we do have an issue because I've only got room for one batten in the middle, as we spoke about, and I've got to get a piece of aluminium cut and bent to make the form. I'm actually debating whether to put this one in first, here, and then when I put that one in, I'm hoping that's long enough where it will sit on top, so when I screw that down to there, it will sort of shape a little bit, and then I can run some glue along that inside edge, and it'll hold that one up against that. But unfortunately there's nothing I can do about this one other than an aluminium sheet. So that's where my thought process is. Basically let that one overlap just a fraction, so as it'll force itself to stay there. Over. So with that, I'm going to bugger off now.